Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on Samsung Galaxy A56. So you have to start by opening your Google application and now click on your avatar and then click on settings. Now click on Google Assistant and then click on voice match and click here to enable Hey Google. Now click on more and I agree, then click on more and I agree again, and click next. And now click on retrain voice match model. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Then click next, and now you can go back. Then click on lock screen and click yes I'm in. Make sure that this first option stays on, and now let's go back and go back again, and then click on Gemini. And you have to make sure that your Gemini is enabled. And now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. Okay Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.